Okay, guys. So in this session, we're gonna discuss about operators. Let me create a file. So, what are operators? So, the operator is a symbol that performs a certain operation between two operands. Okay, operator. It is symbol, just a symbol which will perform some operation between two operands. Two operands, guys. So we have operators and operands. So as I told you, the operator is a symbol that performs a certain operation between two operands. So let's say in a particular programming language, operators serves as the foundation upon which logic is constructed in a program. So it is totally depend upon the logic. The different operators which are listed in Python as follows. So operators types. Let's say types of operators. The first one, arithmetic operator. So what are these arithmetic operators? So we have around eight or seven operators in Python. So among them, the first one will be arithmetic operators. So what are these arithmetic operators? So the arithmetic operators are the operators which will perform the operation between two operands in a arithmetic way. So let's say uh, few examples. I'll give you first few examples. Addition, that is plus, and subtraction, and I'm giving you the symbols, guys. So what are the arithmetic operators? The plus, minus, that is addition, subtraction, and division, then multiplication. These are the operators. Okay, multiplications. Then to perform multiplications, we do use asterisk operator, and then remainder, ampersand. Then we'll go with exponent, that is square, you can say, exponent of a operand. Then a floor division operator. So these are the operators in Python. So example, I'll give you one by one. So what is this operator do? So example, first I'll give you example a plus b. So here example is a plus b, whereas plus is a operator, a and b are operands. Here plus is a operator and a and b are operands. So if you want to perform any kind of operation, like if you are performing a addition operation, so in an expression of a plus b, a and b are going to be operands, and plus is the operator here. You got the point, right? So for the subtraction also same thing. For subtraction, same thing, a minus b, simple. Here also minus is a operator. Here minus is a operator. A and B are the operands. So in the similar way, we have what? Division operator. A divided by B. And what do we have? A multiplied by B. And A ampersand B. And what do we have? A exponent of B. And A floor division operator with B. Let me give you one simple example for this. And practically, I'll show you how the operator works. So first, addition operator. Let's say A is equals to 10, B is equals to 2, or you can say, let's say 2 and 4. A is equals to 2 and B is equals to 4. First we will perform each and every option one by one. So first A plus B, then that needs to be stored somewhere. Okay, so that needs to be, the value should be stored somewhere. So the addition will be performed and that will, the resultant will be stored in C. And now here I'm gonna print that C value. That's it. See, if I run this now, it will show you output as 6. Yes, that's right. So in the similar way, now again C is equals to A minus B. Now if I will print C, what is the value of C now? Anyone? What is the value of C now? Am I audible? Yeah, it's 2. Minus 2 actually, right? 4 minus 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Next, C is equals to A multiplied by B. So here print that C. So the value will be now 8. See? So what is the option? What is the operator next? We have division operator. Let's say division operator. C is equals to A divided by B. I want to print C again. So the value will be 0.5. 2 divided by 4, the resultant will be 0.5. Next we have, what do we have? Ampersand of B, which means remainder. Similar way, C is equals to A ampersand B. The remainder will be shown here. Print that C. So the value will be now, the remainder is 2, right? 2 by 4, the remainder will be 2. Next, which one we have? Square, that is exponent. Let's say C is equals to A exponent of B, 2 to the power of 4. What is the value of 2 to the power of 4? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So the value should be 16 now. See here, you got it right. Next, the last one, floor division. What is a floor division? What is the resultant of floor division? A floor division operator, then B, then print that C. That's it. If you run this now, it will be 0. Here, the thing is, you got this arithmetic operation, right? Next operator will be comparison operator. So the comparison operator. In the similar way, let's say comparison operators compare the values of the two operands. Okay, it will compares the value of the two operands. So here, what is the value of operand A? 2. What is the value of operand B? Is 4. So here, what it will do in the sense, comparison operator, it compares the value of two operands and returns a true or false boolean value in accordance. So let me give you few examples for comparison operator. We have uh, double equals to compare, and it is not equals, and we have double equals and not equals and less than or is equals to and greater than or is equals to, sorry, greater than or is equals to, and less than and greater than. These are the comparison operators. So we have these many comparison operators. Example. So here we'll take one example. Now comparing, we are comparing, right? If A is equals to B. If A is equals to B, print what? Print if A is equals to B. What is the value of A? 2. What is the value of B? 4. If both are equal, then it's if both are equal, print both values are same, right? If not, else here, else print what? Both are not equal. You get this? Now, what is the value of A? 2. What is the value of B? 4. Right? So, here A is equals to 2 and B is equals to 4 as per there. So, A is equals to B. Is that true? No, it is not. So, it will goes to else statement. What is else statement has? Both are not equal. Let me run this. What it says? Both are not equal. So here, what is happening? Comparison is happening between two operands. So let's say now I will change the statement. Now I'll change the statements. So I'll change the value of B now. So it will be 2 again. So both A and B shares the same value. Now see here, both values are same. Now here, if condition got executed, so whatever the condition which is in between if loop, the whole thing will be printed on the console as it is if the condition gets true. Okay, any doubts guys as of now for this comparison operator? Let's say not is equals to, now not is equals to A is not is equals to B. If A is not is equals to B, both values are not same. Here both values are equal. So A is not is equals to B, both values are not same. So now change the value to 4. Run it. It says both values are not same. Yes, exactly. Because A is equals to 2, B is equals to 4, A is not is equals to B. That's the reason it will execute the if condition first. Okay. Next one. A less than or equals to. Let's say, let me change this statement. Statement 1. Statement 2. Okay. So now the value of A and B are, let's A is equals to 2, B is equals to 4. A is less than or is equals to, now A is less than or is equals to B. Yes, A is less than B. So it will, the first statement get print. See here, statement 1. What if A is greater than or is equals to B? So the second statement will get execute now. See here, statement. So you are getting right, you are getting these points. Next operator. A greater than B. True or not? No, it's not. So the else statement will get print. So A is less than B. True. So the first statement will get executed now. See here. So that's the comparison operator. Third one, we have assignment operators. So we have next assignment operators. So what are the assignment operators? These the right expression values assigned to the left operand, the right expression. So what is the right expression here? So when I say right expression means this side. So whatever you have on this side, this is whole thing called as the expression. Okay. This is right side and this one is left side of the equals. Okay. Assignment operator. So here this result will be assigned to left operand. So whatever the expression on the right side will be, the resultant will be assigned to the left side of the operand using the assignment operator. Here equals to is the assignment operator. So there are, this is the definition. Let me give some examples. Equal operator, that is assignment operator, increment and assignment, okay, and decrement and assignment, multiply then assignment, ampersand then assignment, exponent then assignment, floor division then assignment. These are the different types of assignment operators. Okay, these are the assignment operators are nothing but first the operation will be carried out, which means addition operator, subtraction operator, multiplication operator, and here uh, division after remainder operator, then exponent operator, floor division operator. After performing these, then that will be assigned to the left side of the operand. Let me give you few examples for this. Mm, a is equals to b, example. A is equals to b. Next, a plus is equals to b. Next, a minus is equals to b, and a multiplied then assignment to a, I mean to b. So I'll give you one simple expansion for this. A, after writing all this, a then b, a exponent then b, a floor division is equals to b. So, and we know this a is equals to b. Okay, we know this a is equals to b. Let me tell you in this here. Let me take this value. Let me comment this. After commenting, yes, okay. Now a is equals to 10. Sorry, b is equals to 20. Okay, or else you will take 100. Okay, a is equals to 100, b is equals to, now assignment operator. First, print a value, print b value. So it will print 120. So now here what I will do, the first operation. What is the first operation? A is equals to b. Here a is equals to b. Then I will print that a. Now what is the value of a here? Before it was 120. A's value is 100, b's value is 20. Now I'm assigning the whatever the b holds, that will be reassigned to a. Now what is the value of b? B's value is 20. Now here 20 will be assigned back to a. Now a stores the 20. See here, see the value of a is 20. Now if I print b's value, both are same, they both print the same value. But before assignment, a's value is 100, b's value is 20. After assignment operator is performed, the b's value will be assigned back to assigned to a, and the both values are 20 and 20. So that is first operation. Second one, increment then assignment. So here a increment by b, then it will be assigned to back to a. Now see here, print now a's value is, if I try to print a, so the value will be 40 incremented by 20. So this will be, this whole expression will be presented as, represented as, see, I'll show you how can we write the same thing here. A is equals to a plus b. That's it, guys. A is equals to A plus B. In short form, we will write as A plus, sorry, A plus is equals to B. Both are same. These both are same. Okay. So A is equals to A plus B is very similar to A plus B. Now here, let me take this value. Now let me comment this first. If I run this now, what is the value of A? Is 40. Value of A is 40, right? So let me comment this and run this. So the right now the value of A should be 40. See here. So both are same. Okay. Are you getting? Are you getting, guys? Any doubts about this operator? Now anyone tell me A minus is equals to B, print A. What is the value of A here now? Anyone? What is the value of A? Mm, Sahitya, what is the value of A here now? This is very similar to A is equals to A minus B. Okay. What is the A value? 20. B value? 20. A minus B? 20 minus 20? 0. The value of A is 0. But it's not showing as 0. Reason? Because the A value is 40. See here. The A's value is 40. Right? So here A is equals to 40. B value is 20. Before it was 2020. Before this operation, before up to this, the value of A and B are 20, B is equals to 20. But here, after this operation, the value of A became A is equals to 40. Right? So here, same thing, guys. A is equals to same thing. A, next operator. A multiplication operator. A multiplied is equals to B, print A. And this is very similar to A is equals to A multiplied by B. What is the A value? Here, what is the A value? Output we got 20, right? A is equals to 20. And B remains the same, 20. Now here, A is equals to A into B. 20 into 20, 400, right? We should get the 400. See here. Okay. Now, what is the value of A here? 400. Okay. Mm, Okay, 1 second. Okay. Okay. Next. Here, next operator is ampersand. A ampersand, sorry, ampersand B is equals to B. And this is very similar to A is equals to A ampersand B. So here, if I print A now, what is the value of A now? Anyone? A ampersand B. Remainder. What is the remainder? 400 divided by 20. Exactly. You should get the value 20 now. 0. Why? What is the remainder? Do we get 20? 400 divided by 20. A's value is, B value is B value 20, huh? So let me print here, print B. B is 20. What is the remainder we'll get? 1 second, just hold, guys. Okay, guys. Yeah. Why do we get remainder? Remainder, we know that, right? It divides. It divides the value of the left operand by the value of right operand and assign back the remainder to the left operand. Okay. So it will divide until it gets 0. 400 divided by 20. It's not divided by, it's a ampersand. So the remainder, if you divide 400 here, the value is, b's value is 20. So this is right. So here what will happens? So 400 ampersand 20. In the first iteration, you will get how much? 0 0 cancelled, 2 20 you'll get. Again, right? 20 by 20. Again, what will happen? 20 ampersand 20. Now what is the result? Remainder 0. Exactly. That's the reason it has shown 0. Okay. It is not divide operator. It's a remainder operator. Next one. A exponent. B. A exponent is equals to B. So what does it means? A is equals to A ampersand B means A square of, sorry, A to the power of B. Print that A now. So now the A is, what is the A value? What is the A value? A value is 0, right? We got the 0. Value as 0, 9, 0. Now the value is 0. 0 to the power of, what is the B value? Yes, exactly. So B value is 20. So 0 power 20, obviously 0. See here, 20 is the B value, print, and the last statement is 0 power 20 itself 0. Okay. Next thing. Mm, this is done. Now floor division. Now A value is, let me change the value here. We'll take something else here. From here, we'll take A is equals to 2 from here. Now A value is here 2. 2 to the power of 20, it's lot. So let me run this. So it will says how much, 10 lakhs 48,576. That's the A value. Okay, let me copy this. Copy. That's the A value. Now A floor division is equals to B. Okay. Now print B value. What is the B value? Anyone? 20. Now I want to print A value. What is the A value? Floor division operator will take the 20 and divided by that. So the floor division, what will happens in the sense, A floor division operator is equals to B will be equal to A is equals to A double slash B. For an example, let's say mm, if A is equals to 4, B is equals to 3, A double slash is equals to B will be assigned to 4 double slash 3 is equals to 1 to A. That's how the double floor operator, that's floor operator works. So how the actual floor operator works in the sense, it provides the quotient floor value. Whatever the coefficient you will get, that will be which is obtained by the dividing the two operands. You know that coefficient value it will take. Okay, now the value is 52428. So it's nothing but it will takes the coefficient value. Okay, here a double slash is equals to b is nothing but floor division operator which will takes the quotient of the floor value. Next one we'll go with bitwise operator. Next operator is bitwise operator. So this bitwise operator are nothing but the two operands values are processed bit by bit by the bitwise operator. Okay, it will process it by bit. Okay, we have uh, it's nothing but it will we have so many bitwise operators. Among them, let me give you a few examples. And this is a binary and. Okay, this is a binary and. Next we have binary or. We have binary, this is binary or. Next we have binary xor. We have binary xor. How do we, this is binary xor. Next we have negation. You know that negation, right? And next we have double shift, left shift after operator. This is right shift bitwise operator. These are the types of operators, and these are also performed between two operands, and these are the operators. Example, for an example, a and b, comma a, sorry, a or b, comma a, binary xor, b, and what else? A, uh, negation b, comma, negation is one time, but you can take like this. Okay, generally negation works like this. Sorry, negation a, negation b. These are two different guys. These are two different types. Next we have a left shift b. Next we have a right shift b. These are the types of examples we have. Next one. Oh, sorry. Let me demonstrate you with an example. I'll take one simple example. For this, let me comment this first. Here, first I'll take a if condition. In conditions, we're gonna see how if condition works. Let's say if is equals to if 7, uh, we have b is equals to. First, we'll declare the values. Then we'll go with b is equals to. Let's go with 6. If now I want to print a binary value of a, for this uh, binary value of a, and that will be assigned to c. So will that going to be print that c? This is called indentation, guys. Indentation is very important in Python. So it says binary is not defined. So for this we're gonna take one simple example in Python. So I want to know the 7 binary value. Let's say a is equals to. You know how to take binary values? Anyone? Guys, do you know how to take the binary value of a decimal? No, huh? No worries. I'll tell you. So how the things works in the sense, let me take one Excel sheet. Okay. So binary values. How the binary values in the sense, first we'll have, it's a 4-digit combination, 0000. So which means, let me take like this. The value will be 0. So if I have, okay, so the notation will starts like this, okay, 8, 4, 2, 1. Sorry. 0, 1, 2, 4, 7. 0 for 0 is nothing. For 1, 2, 4, 8. Let's say if all 0, 0. If I want to print 1, what is the value of binary value of 1? 0, 0, 1 is equals to 1. Next, binary value of 2, 0, comma, 0, comma, 1, 0. The value is 2. For 3, I want to take it for 3. 0, comma, 0, comma, 0, 1 plus 1. Exactly. So the value will be 3. Now for 4, 0, 1, 0, 0, that is 4. And anyone for 5? Anyone for 5? Means you have to addition these two. 0, 1, 0, 1. Right? So 1 plus 4, that is 5. Next for 6. For 6, 0, 1, 1, 0. That's for 6. Next 7. 0, 1, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. That is for 7. For 8, 1, 0, 0, 0 is equals to 8. Sorry, 8. For 9, 1, 0, 0, 1. That's for 9. For 10, 1, 0, 1, 0. That's for 10. For 11, 1, 8, 0, 1, 1. That's for 11. For 12, what is the 12? For 12, 1, 1, 0, 0 for 12, right? 8 plus 4 is 12. Let me, okay. For 13, 1, 1, 0, 1. That's for 13. Next, for 14, 1, 1, 0, right? 12 plus 4. That's for 14. For 15, 1, 1, 1, 1, 15. What about for 16? Anyone? Anyone? So from here, the hexa will take. Hexa will take. Now the value here, the 15. Okay. You know how to do that later? Anyone? So here it will take. After 8, what? Sorry, 16. Then 32. Sorry. Then 64. Then 128. then 256, then 512, then 1024, then like this. So this is 1 MB of, if you want to store 1 MB of memory, it will take 1024 kilobytes, KBs of characters. Any doubts? From here, if you want to go for 16, it will be like 16 directly. So here 1 0 0 0 0, that's for 16. For 17, 1 0 0 0 1, that's for 17. This is the binary format. This is how you can do. Okay, I'll show you this document in group later. And you got that right? How to convert the binary form uh, from decimal, sorry, for normal integer values to binary form. Okay, next, logical operators. We have logical operators. First one, AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator. These are the three types of operators. So here the assessment of what is a logical operator, in the sense the assessment of expressions to make decisions, typically makes use of logical operators. Let's say you have AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator. The condition, what is a AND operator, in the sense the condition will also be true if the expression is true. Let's say if the condition will be true if and only if the expression is true. If the two expressions, let's say A and B are same, then the A and B must be true. Let's say A and B. The resultant will be true. Okay. Let's say A or B. Here in this case, the first case, A is true, comma, B is true. Then only the result will be true. But A or B, the condition will be true if any one phase is true. Let's say this will be true if A is true, B is false. So any one, either A or B, among A and B, if any one is true, then the A or B is true. Let's say both are false. If both are false, the value of A or B is false. Okay. Next, not A not B is equals to, if an expression A is true, then A will be false and vice versa. Okay. A not B, which means if an expression A is true, let's say A is true here. Okay, one second. This will be true if A is true for an expression, then A, then not A. Let's say not A, not of A, not of A will be true. If A is true, not A will be false. Vice versa. If not A is true, A will be false. That's how the things works. A not. Actually, the expression should be like this. Not A or not B. If not A is true, then A will be false. A is false here. Okay. One second. Here, not A is true, so A is false. If A is true, not A will be false. Okay. That's how the logical operators works. Next, we have membership operators and identity operators. Very important, guys. First one, first one, membership operator is very, very important. Membership operator. So in membership operator, you have in and not in. These are the two operators we have. And the last one is, I'll give you one example for this. And uh, before giving you an example, let me give you the what are the identity operators. Identity operators. There are two types of identity operators: is not. So these are the last two operators. That's it about the operators. Before that, let me tell you what is in operator. So what is in operator in the sense, if the first operand, that is A, cannot be found in the second operand, okay, it is evaluated to be true. Let's say, okay, I'll give you one example. For this, we have a list. Let's say we have a list, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay. For I in that list, if that list is there, so I want to uh, I is okay. If I in list, print that list. Print that list. So what will it will say? It will prints all. It will take the first element from it. It will print. It will take second element and it will print it until 6 times. See here, 6 times. Let's say I is equals to, if I what here in operate do in the sense, it will search. It will take that element. Let's say it's not 2. 2 in list. Sorry, I is equals to I is equals to 2. W equals to 2 in the list. So that's not an expression. I in list 2. If first it will take I is equals to 7, then print what will it will, is there any element 7 here? No, right? So if it is not there, then print 7 is missing, not in the list. 7 is missing or not in the list, anything, right? So but the thing is, it should come out of the it should come out of the loop to print this statement. Okay, for this we'll print 7 is missing. If that missing, then it will print 7 is missing. So what is happening here? It is searching. It is searching whether it is in the list or not. Is in, fr in, not in. We have another not in also, but we cannot use that in for loop. In some other operations, in upcoming sessions, I'll tell you what is not in. And about same here, both A is B, which means A is B in the sense, if the reference on the both sides points to the same object. See, let's say A is B, means let's say A's value is 10, B's value is 20. If A is B, then print true or else false. Then print the boolean value. If A is B, then print the boolean value. Boolean value will be true if A is equals to 10, B is equals to 10. If B in theoretically, if you ask me, A is equals to 10, B is equals to 10. If A is B, then what should I print? Print boolean value, bool. Whatever the bool value is, that will be printed. A is equals to B, yes it is. Yeah, sorry, not. A is B, no. So it will print, the output will be false. Okay, is not, second condition, second time. So same thing, copy. Same thing is not. Here it will print the result will be right. A is not B. That's true. So the output will be true. So that is uh, that's all about the operators, guys. About membership operator in, not in, identity operator is, not is. Any doubts as of now? Anyone? Do we have any doubts? If not, we will wind up this session, guys.